Hi, I'm Tammy. I'm a CPB, a certified professional bookkeeper. This is future me talking to you about a video that I filmed with Jonathan Carter, referring to understanding the potential of your business using your profit and loss statement. If you like this video or you're interested in other videos on how to understand what your financial statements are telling you, there'll be a link to a playlist up above. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to see the future videos coming out, and like so that other business owners know that these videos exist and can find the same information. Hope you have a great day. How are we using profit and loss? What's our key takeaway when we're looking at that report?
Of course, the first two numbers people look at are the top line and the bottom line. The top line is your revenue. The bottom line is your profit or your loss. Hopefully, it's a profit. And then we sometimes hear people talk about above the line. This is a really important area, and it's understanding your gross margin. So we see this sometimes with people who are moving to an online e-commerce structure, want to sell on Amazon, but their margins are too thin. The margin is the difference between your sale price and the cost of what you sold. So let's say you buy an apple for 25 cents and you sell it for $1, you have a margin of 75 cents. That's a nice, healthy margin. But sometimes when you work with online sellers and the fees are upwards of 25-30%, you need to make sure you have a healthy enough margin, because you never want to be in a position where every dollar you sell, you're losing more money. So understanding your gross margin is, I would say, one of the most important things.
Because that's how you're going to improve the performance of your business.
Exactly. If you have a very thin margin, you either need to increase prices or find new sources for your cost. And then as you grow, you can control overhead to some degree, but you have to be very cognizant of, is the business going to make more money by selling more goods, or is it going to lose more money?
Hope that helps. If you're looking for other tips on how to simplify running your business in the least stressful way possible, hit that subscribe button.